Hi all. So in this video we are going to write our first Java program and what we know now since see in what we have in our first Java program. In our first Java program we have written down something this things. Okay. So what are all this? Let me clear out this thing. At first we have this public. Public is an access specifier. What is an access specifier? It says that okay, before that we have this public class first. What is this class first? Okay, we know that there is a class in Java. Okay, we don't know. Okay, let's say you don't know what is a class. Just for now, remember there is a class and object. What is a class and object? Class is class is a collection of objects. A collection of objects. For example, we have a human class human and it has objects. Let's say Abhishek, Abhi, Adi, Ankit, Ronak, etc. Okay, so this class human has objects Abhishek, Abhi, Adi, Ankit, Ronak, etc. That means human class can have multiple objects, and this objects there's a collection of objects is called a class because a class holds a collection of objects. And here we have will have see Abhishek is a human, Abhi is also human, and so in this class we cannot have any object of other type. Let's say we have Volvo. Volvo is an object of type car, so it has a class of car. So Volvo is a car class object. Volvo is an object of class car, so it cannot be stored in our human class. Okay, so this is the overview of classes and objects. Okay, if you don't uh, if still if you don't know what is class and object, just repeat the video and you will get what is a class and what is an object. Okay, now while writing our code, we'll have to declare. First of all, we'll declare an access specifier. Access specifier can be public, private, and public, private, and there are other also. So what does that do? In this package we will say if it is public, so in this package this class this class named first is accessible to all the files in this package. What is a package? It's just a kind of folder. Let's say we have this hashing package, it has this many files. Okay, so within a package this class first is accessible to all the classes. Let's say if we have another class here, so it will also be accessible from this first class will also be accessible to all the classes. Now why if this red line is here? Because see, the name of our file is first.java, name of our class is also first.java. So by convention the name of a class should be in capital letters. And one more thing we need to know that whatever the name of the file is there, name of the class, the main class should also be same as our file name. The file name is first, the public class is also first. Okay, now we need to print something. We need to print something. So for printing, we'll have first of all there we have called a main method. Main method. So we'll type public, again public because it should be accessible from any let's say if you are calling this class to in another class, so its public method should be accessible to another class also. So that's why the main methods are always public. So public static void main, and this main we'll have two arguments, sorry, we'll have string argument. Okay, and what are those? I'll say later on this in video. So we have this main method, and how do we distinguish what is a method and what is a class? See, while writing a class, we have this parenthesis, curly braces. Okay, this parenthesis opened. Okay, this braces, and while writing a main method, first of all we'll write this curly braces, and after that we will open our parenthesis. So whenever we declare any method, now either main method or self-declared method, we will we will use this curly braces. After declaring the main method or whatever method we write, we'll write this curly braces, and then we'll give out this uh, parenthesis. So this is the syntax for declaring main method. Remember it. Now, what is this main class? This main okay, again let me again give some insight on this public. What is this public? Public is a access specifier, which means this class can be accessed from anywhere. Okay, from any classes to any other file. Okay, and within this package also, one more thing, if this package also wants to call this first file na, so this package files can also call this class, because it is public. If it is protected, then it will only be called within this package, but if it is public, from any package we can call it. Okay, so that is the use of this public method. Later on, when we will discuss about access specifier, then we will see what are different kind of access specifier. For now, let us see public static void main. So this is the syntax for declaring our main method. So we have declared our main method. Now in IntelliJ IDEA, the shorthand for writing main, we can simply write main and press enter, or you can write psvm and press enter. We'll get our syntax. So let's write psvm, and now system.out.println. What is system.out.println? System.out.println is a syntax for writing our output. So let's write hello world. Okay, so remember, this is the syntax for writing the output. And now if we run our program, first dot main, look, in the terminal it will give hello world. So that is all what we know about system.out.println. Sorry, what we know need to study about system.out.println. Okay, simple it is, system.out.println, and here the s will always be capital. Okay, this is the syntax for printing out statements, for printing out things in the terminal in Java. Okay, so this is our first Java program. Now again, for writing system.out.println, we can write SAUT, or simply write print. No, okay, for IntelliJ IDEA, simply write hello world, and it will give out this, sorry, SAUT, and it will give system.out.println. Now why this ln? We can also say na, that print means print, print means print. Okay, now let's see, if we write just print, what it gives. Okay, with print also it gives the same thing, hello world. So why we have written print ln? Why we have written print ln? Let us check once more. If we write something here, hello 2, and now if we run, what will it give? It is giving hello world and hello 2. Now here, if we don't have ln, if we don't have ln, it will give, what will it give? Let's see. Okay, previously it was, this first one was coming in the first line, and the second print statement was in the next line. Now both are in the same line. Okay, that means this ln means next line, and here we don't have ln because after this the line is already been changed. So this hello 2 will be printed in the next line only. Let's see another time. So yeah, hello 2 is written in the next line only. And what if it do ln here, then also it will be printed in the next line only. This ln is for the next statement. If we write any next println statement here, that statement will be gone in the next line, and so on. So this ln gives next line for this hello 2, and sorry, and this ln will give the next line for the next print statement. So that is all about print and println. Okay, so now one more thing I need to discuss. In the terminal, how will we run? In terminal, in the terminal, now see, we have list of items, we have source. In our source we will change our directory, we'll do cd src. In src, in which package we have in our youtube package, so we'll go to youtube package, and here we have only one file, first.java, and we want to run our file in our terminal. So in terminal, for running the file, we will what we will do, we will do java c first.java. Now what does java c means? Java c means it will make a class file for this java file. And now let's do, ls. So see, now a class file is created, java first.java and first.class. And if we do java first.class, sorry, java first, sorry, sorry, java first.java, now it is giving hello world and hello 2. So this is how you run in terminal using, first of all we will create a class file with the use of this command java c first.java, and then we will run the normal file, java first.java. Let us create another file using our command line. Let's see, first was there, now first.class is created. Now let us create another file. Will For creating another file we have the command touch second.java. Touch is not okay, so let's say cat second.java. Cat is also not vi second.java. Vi is also not accepted here. Okay, so why I am getting this error? Because in a windows environment, these commands are majorly used in mac and linux. Okay, but in windows we cannot use this vi, this cat, and this touch commands. Okay, for that we have to install our wsl. So we don't have wsl, so manually I'll create this class file second.java. No, so this second.java file is created. We'll write down some code. Main method system.out.println, and write this is our first java program. Hooray. Okay, now I want to run this file in our terminal. So to run in our terminal, first let's clear it up. So first create running the second file, second.java file in terminal. Let's see if we do java second.java, will it give the output? Okay, it is giving the output. Okay, I don't know what is the thing that's happening here, but it should not give this output. Okay, because we haven't created this class file, because I think we are writing in a integrated development environment. What is an integrated? This IntelliJ IDEA is an integrated development environment. I think because of that it's printing out the statement, but before that we need to create a java class file. So java c second dot java, and it will create the class file. See, we have the second dot class file. It will also be created here. Second, the second dot class file is created, and then we can run using this java second dot java. Okay, if we will run the same thing in our terminal, no. So this first of all we will have to use this java c, then we will run using this java second dot java, because without compiling the code we cannot run the java file. Okay, without compiling the code we cannot run the java file. So that's why java c is first, and then java second dot java will be the next uh, command. So that was all about our first program in java. In the next program we'll discuss something more in programming. So yeah, thanks for watching.